Hi, welcome. I'm Marta Valle with Realtor One Group MVP. Today at my open house at 5025 Iron Horse Way in Ave Maria, Florida. This is in Maple Ridge. And this here is a Chesbro. It's a beautiful floor plan, 3,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus den, 2.5 bath with a 3-car garage and very tall ceilings, very many windows, large windows. It's really beautiful. And the windows are impact windows. So let me turn this around and show it to you. So here's the house, and then this way we're going towards Roma Street. Roma Street is right there. We're very close to Roma Street. Over here is Trevi. And then down there is Milano Street, and over here we're going to have the Rosary Lake. So a great place to go around, kind of for walks, hikes, and so forth. The loop around the lake, the 3 parts of the lake is 2 miles long, so it's really nice. I love going there. It's great. So here you have a large driveway, so lots of parking space, 3-car garage. This metal gate is added here, and there's a glass entrance door. The windows and doors are impact, as I said. And you do not have any carpet in this house. This is tiled. And then over here, this is either laminate or luxury vinyl plank, I'm not sure. So this here is the flex room or den. So you can make this easily into a bedroom if you want, just by adding the door. This space can be used as a closet. And you can see the tall ceilings, 12-foot ceilings. You have extra recessed lighting here. You can add a fan up there. And then right here, so straight ahead, you have the living area. You have here the half bath, a little niche. And then here the half bath. Really nice. And here to the left, you see the master bedroom, the living room, dining area. And then to the right, you'll have the other 2 bedrooms. Right ahead, the kitchen and the family area. This is your nice tray ceiling with extra recessed lighting. You can again add a fan. You can add a chandelier for the dining area. And you have straight ahead also, you can see extended pavers and a wall for privacy. It's kind of like a secret garden back there. So this is the master bedroom. It's a king-size bed, kind of for size comparison. It's very big, a fan here. And then you have a sitting area also over here, which can be used as an office. I've seen it used as a sewing room, a nursery. Really nice. And you can again access the lanai from here. Over here, you have the hallway with 2 large walk-in closets. Here. And then also over here. And this is a dual bath, so this is his area here with the sink and the toilet, and then access to the shower. And then this is her area with also access to the shower over here. And then the tub, and another sink, and another toilet over here. So let's go this way. And again, here let's see this area. So you can see there's a breakfast nook right here with this beautiful chandelier, beautiful window coverings as well. And this is a very large family area. You can add like another couch here or something. You can use this really well with a tray ceiling. You can add a fan. You have also these really nice awnings, which is very special. This is, I think, the only house in Maple Ridge or in Ave Maria that has such awnings. And a beautiful kitchen. Yeah. Built-in appliances, double oven. There's an oven here and a microwave, and there's an oven also over here. It's vented to the outside. The pantry is beautiful here in the cabinets. And then these cabinets have glass with the glass doors. So these are normal wire racks over here. But beautiful how this is also close. How this is in the cabinets. You have extra cabinets also here in the island. And then here you can put a shelf. This is here a very large table also for this area, for the breakfast nook. These are 2 bedrooms that are connected with a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have the first one right here. Here's the bathroom. Dual sink. And then over here, the top with a shower head. Here. Second bedroom. Very nice. And then over here at the end we have the laundry. The laundry has an extra sink, washer and dryer, and then these upgraded 42-inch cabinets. And this area leads also to the garage. It's a 3-car garage. As you can see, it's very large. They even have like a gym back there. And then here you have overhead storage. Really nice. Very practical. A lot of space for storage. You have golf carts, your gym equipment, your car in there. So let me show you now this here, the lanai. There's an entrance here. There's an entrance from the breakfast nook. There's an entrance also from the master bedroom. So this here shows you the lanai. There's 2 fans over here. And a very vastly extended paver area. You even have a trampoline. This is all fenced in and a lot of extra landscaping for privacy and a wall for privacy. So that's really nice. You can create your secret garden here. Really pretty. An oasis that you can have here. And again, the beautiful awning. And then out here, you also see there's a storm screen on here. So like when the storm comes, you can just move this inside here, put the screen down, and it's all ready to go. Please give me a call with any questions about this property or any other Ave Maria resales under construction. My phone number is here, and I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you, and God bless you.